Okay, got it. So, let's see the LMS first. Ya, kita cek LMS dari English ya. So, today is 4th August. Our learning today is articles and reading comprehension. Yeah, the title of the reading is gestures. Okay, first of all, we will watch the video. So, I would like to ask you to pay attention to the video. Yeah, just listen to the video carefully. I will mute you all. Yeah, and then if you have questions, just ask it at the end of the video. Yeah, so while watching the video, there is no one asking question. Tidak ada yang bertanya when watching the video. Okay, so let's start. That is a doll. That is an action figure.
Miss, suaranya kedengaran.
That is a doll and an action figure. The doll is big, but the action figure is small. Hi students! Namaskar! Welcome back to English class with Miss Rose. So after watching the intro, do you know what is our material today? Yes, it is about a and the, or we call it as articles. I have a short video for you. Please watch it.
Articles a and the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is a and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a, an, and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is, about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls.
Okay students, that's all for the explanation. Do you get the point? Yes? That's good. So after this, you will have a note and also the exercise of articles.
Okay, so that is about the video, ya. Articles a and the, ya. Okay, so now let's check the note first. Ya, kita cek notes-nya bersama-sama. So the notes is also the same with the explanation on the video. Yeah, but here I put some additional. Ya, Misus tambahkan beberapa. Okay, especially for a and an. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now let's check the note. Yeah, a is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Yeah. So as we see before the example, a cow, a beetle, a deer, yeah, a pearl, a pen, a book. And then here, the note is about university and uniform. Okay, so why university and uniform using a, not an? Yeah, so it is because when we read the sentences, ya, or the words, ya, kita ketika baca, it is pronounced as you, ya. It begins with a consonant. Jadi di sini konsonan, bukan a vowel, ya. So that's why we use a before university and a uniform. Ya, so a university and a uniform. That is for a. Next. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Jadi huruf vokal, ya. A, I, U, E, O, ya. Examples, you can see an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an umbrella, an otter, and then many more. But here, the note is for an hour. Nah, so why hour use an? Ya, an hour itu artinya 1 jam. Ya, jadi when we read this word, ketika kita baca, H-nya itu silent, tidak terbaca. Ya, jadi bacanya an hour. Jadi kayak ini bacanya. Nah, oke, so that's why an hour. Dan satu lagi ada, lupa Miss tambahkan, an honest student. Misalnya ya, an honest student. Oke, nah di sini honest ya, H-nya juga silent. Ya, jadi bacanya an honest student, an honest man, an honest girl. Ya. Okay, so next we will move to the here. The is used when we talk about the same noun at the second time. Jadi untuk menggunakan kata tersebut kedua kalinya. Examples, there is a stall. And then there is an umbrella on the stall. Ya, jadi kita sudah tahu stall yang mana. Oh, stall yang dibicarakan at the first time. And also the is used before a particular or specific noun. Ya, jadi untuk specific names of rivers, mountain ranges ya, and then oceans, places that containing of. Okay, you can check the examples here. And then we can also use the for the unique object on the earth. Yeah, for example, the moon, the sun, the sky, the sunshine, the storm, and many more. And then the last is for superlative degree. Superlative degree itu yang contohnya ini. The tallest boy. Yang ada EST-nya or ada the most. Ya. Yang ada EST or the most. Ya, berarti artinya yang paling. Nah, kalau sudah yang paling pasti satu saja, ya. Yang paling tinggi, yang paling cantik, yang paling cerdas, yang paling panjang, ya. So we use the. Kalau sudah ada kata est seperti ini, and also most, we use the. Okay. So that is, yes. What is that?
Why the university use not an?
Use a, yeah, because
You.
yeah, you. kan bacaannya U, Y depannya Y.
You.
It is a consonant. Ya.
As
Kalau
we
di
didn't
sini,
read university, it's university. So
ya,
it's
we read it university,
Uni.
not university. That's
Yes.
good. So
Okay.
after this, we will
In Indonesia.
discuss.
You.
Ya, kalau Indonesia universitas bacanya, tapi kalau ini university. Now,
Yeah.
let's answer the exercises on course book ya. Yang punya buku silakan dibuka, kita jawab bersama-sama. If you don't have the book, it's okay. Ya. You can write the answers only on the notebook. Boleh ditulis jawabannya saja di buku tulis. This one, course book.
Course book, Miss?
Yes, course book.
Course book. Okay.
Ya. On page 10, halaman 10, there is
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes. There is the
I'm not-
explanation.
I'm not in my house now, so I didn't bring any book.
Okay, so you can just look at this one, but you have the book at the home.
Okay, I have.
Okay, maybe you can rewrite it. I will provide the answer key also on the
Okay.
LMS ya, so you can check it.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
You miss some part, nanti mungkin ada kelewatan. Page
Oh,
11.
okay. Page 11. Okay.
So I put
Okay.
the page here.
Miss,
Yes, you can.
Pulpen boleh Miss?
Yes, you may.
Yes, to
Tugas
Gus
Maha.
Maha, yes. Zenita, you can write the answer only ya.
Miss, buat book.
You can
Miss,
check
Miss,
on
Ini
the
kita tulis
screen.
pertanyaannya dulu atau langsung centang aja, Miss?
Jawabannya saja. Ya.
Oh, jawabannya saja.
Oke. Ini justru sudah cantumkan bukunya. Coba dicek screen-nya ya. Course book page 11. Nah,
Tandanya sedih aja, Miss. Tadi kasih kucing, terus ada tanda sedih.
oke. Have you found the
Yes, I
page?
found.
Sudah ketemu? Nah, mungkin masih ada yang mencari, sedang mencari. Oke.
Just wait a second.
Mine is printed, so it's
Oke,
black and
it's
white.
okay.
But
It's okay.
But the book cover is blue.
Ah. Yes, in the third grade, I'm the same in the third grade, you know.
Okay,
I
this is
read it
Chinese
too.
book.
Yeah, so it's
Okay.
like just black and white. Itu jahitan, not with jepretan.
Okay, so
So can we start?
Okay, started, Miss. It's okay.
already starts. Let's go.
So first I will read the instruction ya. Read the sentences given below. Tick atau centang the incorrect sentence. Jadi kita centang yang salah and then correct them. Jadi kita perbaiki ya.
Ah.
Oke, jadi
So
yang
how
nulis
How
yang
about
nulis-
when? How
yang
about when
nulis
this?
di buku tulis, oke, yang nulis di buku tulis, you can write the sentence first. Ya, nanti kalau ada yang salah ditulis dulu sentence-nya, kemudian dikasih centang, and then we will correct it. Jadi koreksinya
Miss.
cuma menambahkan yang kurang. Oke,
Soalnya juga ditulis gitu.
Excuse me, Miss.
yes,
We take the incorrect sentence, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
How about the correct sentence?
Oh, the correct
We
sentence,
just let it.
yeah, just let it. We will do nothing. Ya, do nothing.
Oh,
with
okay.
the-
Jadi
Okay.
yang salah-salah
So, just
itu
let
yang ditulis soalnya begitu. Jadi
Iya.
nomor 2 dikosongin.
Oh,
Aha.
yeah.
Okay, let's start number 1. Please, Kirana, help me to read number 1.
Kirana always reading number 1.
Kirana is
still
muted.
Kirana, please unmute yourself first.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
James is the most scared driver of the India.
Okay, not scared, yeah, sacred.
Secret.
Yeah, sacred. Okay, thank you, Kirana. Sacred means sakral atau suci. Yeah. Okay, so this one is incorrect. So let's take it.
Why is it incorrect?
Yeah, because we need to put the before gangs.
Ah.
Gangs is in bahasa Indonesia
Okay, okay.
Sungai Gangga ya. The
Ah.
gangs. Nah,
Okay.
jadi bisa ditulis seperti ini, ditambahkan garis sedikit and then write the. The Ganges is the most sacred river of India. Jadi Indianya, the-nya sebelum India dicoret.
Ada Miss rasanya aneh-aneh. Ada pulpen jadi agak licin rasa tangan saya. Seret begitu.
It's okay, ya. Just do it slowly, carefully.
So when we want to write the correct one, where did we have to write it? When it's correct, just let him.
Yeah,
Ah.
we don't
Yeah,
need.
just
We
let it.
will do.
We don't need to do anything.
Yeah, just do nothing.
Okay. Just let him and ignore it. I just swear this one. That's why I.
Okay, so number 1, we already correct it. Yeah, the Ganges is the most sacred river of India. Okay.
Okay. Let's have to be next.
Next, number 2, Zenita, please read number 2.
The Republic of China is the most densely populated country in the world.
Okay, thank you, Zenita. So number 2 is correct, yeah. The Republic of China is the most densely populated country in the world. Jadi, we do nothing for number 2.
It's correct, right?
Ya, it's correct. Sudah benar.
Perlu centang.
Tidak perlu dicentang.
Aja nih.
Tidak.
Perlu dicentang.
Karena yang dicentang adalah yang salah di sini instruksinya. Okay. Number 3. I would like to ask Ananda, please, to read number 3.
Number 3. On my last visit to San Francisco, I stayed in the Hyatt Regency Hotel.
Okay, thank you, Ananda. Number 3 is also correct, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, because we already put the before Hyatt Regency Hotel. Okay, just
We
do
do nothing.
nothing. Okay,
We do
next.
nothing, just ignore it.
Number 4, Gus Ale, please.
Hello.
Please unmute yourself, Gus Ale.
Title Zoya
Correct or incorrect?
shouted loudly when storm broke.
Okay, thank you,
I think
Gus
it's
Ale.
incorrect.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
incorrect.
Incorrect. Do you know which one is incorrect?
Storm broke. The
Yeah.
storm broke.
Yeah, we
When-
should the. Kita centang dulu. Kemudian kita tambahkan the sebelum storm, ya. Oke, Gong Iti dan next ya. Tunggu sebentar.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to add the.
Kita tambahkan the di sini. The storm. Because here.
Zoya shriek.
Yeah. Shriek is like screaming. Yeah.
Apa itu Little Zoya, Miss?
Lil Zoya is name
Orang.
of people.
Orang.
Yeah.
Orang, misalnya Little Zoya tuh kayak anak kecil gitu loh, Zoya.
Yes. I think
Little girl
everyone,
gitu loh.
Yeah, it's a
yeah,
little
everyone
girl.
will scream, yeah, if we see the storm. Not only the Lil Zoya.
Yeah, me too. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Siapa tidak takut, Miss? Kalau ada angin puting-puting, siapa yang nggak takut?
Yeah.
The storm. We gonna scare the storm.
Okay, next is Gong Iti, please, number 5.
The children play in park while their mother chat happily.
Okay, good. So, do you know, is this correct or incorrect? This one is incorrect, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's incorrect.
Okay, we need to put the before
In the park.
Yeah, in the park.
In the park. It's
Mhm.
so that's why it's in the park. The children playing in the park while
While
their
their
moms
mothers chatted happily. Jadi anak-anaknya main, ibu-ibunya ngobrol. Nah, like
Nah,
that.
ngegibah ibunya.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes, who's
tadi Miss jawab semuanya ini, tapi ini yang di atas setengah doang.
kenapa Gekna ya?
Kenapa?
Ya,
Kenapa Gekna?
kan tadi Missy jawab semuanya kan,
Mhm.
dari nomor 1 sampai 5. Tapi di sini yang cuman kelihatan itu nomor 1, 4 sama 5 doang.
Iya, karena number 2 and 3 there is no correction. Sudah benar.
Ya,
Jadi
sudah
kita
benar.
biarkan saja.
Ini disuruhnya
Karena
center
itu
yang salah.
kalimat, ya, karena
Yes.
kalimatnya itu sudah benar, jadi
Kalimatnya
udah
sudah
diemin aja
benar.
gitu.
Jadi kita diamkan saja.
So just let it, ignore it.
Karena tidak ada instruction di sini yang benar
ya.
diapakan.
Ini ada focus on the check marks.
Mhm.
Come on, Miss. Let's go to the next question.
Okay, next
Okay, let's go
question. I
next.
would like to ask
Rena, Miss Rena.
Rania.
Ya, Rena.
Rania. Okay, Rania. Number 6, please.
Number 6.
Yes.
MTK2 is the most dangerous peak in the Himalayas.
Okay, thank you, Rania.
I think it's correct, but I don't know though.
Correct, because
Yeah, this one is correct. Yeah.
there's in sama
Miss, what is pig? What is
Empty. Okay, empty
Empty
first ya.
K2.
Empty
Is
itu
it
maksudnya Mount K2 is the most dangerous peak in the Himalayas. Jadi kayak salah satu puncak yang paling berbahaya di
Okay,
pegunungan
okay.
Himalaya.
Di
Puncak.
ya.
Aha.
Oh, okay.
Puncak gunung Everest ya, Miss?
Next. It's correct,
Okay.
right?
Next. Yeah, number 6 is correct. Yeah.
Okay. So, Rena.
Number 7 is
Rena.
Toby, please. Okay, Toby, please unmute yourself first.
Saya mau, Miss.
Miss, why not tugas maha? Tugas maha, why not?
No, wait. Kan Miss yang choose.
After Toby is tugas maha.
Yeah, after
Yeah, I
Toby.
think.
Toby,
But I want to.
boleh di-unmute dulu. Okay, number
Miss,
7.
Miss, nanti Inggrisnya nggak ada homework kan?
K2 is the most dangerous peak in the Himalayas.
No,
Oh,
number
number
2.
7.
Number 7 I mean.
Yeah, number 7, Toby.
Were fixed tightly by mechanic.
Okay,
no,
thank
that's
you.
incorrect.
Yeah,
Incorrect.
it's incorrect. Yeah, good.
Then I was like, it's
Yeah.
incorrect.
Kita centang dulu and then we need to put the at the beginning
Yeah.
and then
Wheels of car.
of the car
The wheels of the car were fixed
and then
tightly by the mechanic.
by the mechanic. Oke,
The
jadi
mechanic,
ada
okay.
3 the di sini yang ditambah.
3 the and 1 sentence.
Yeah. The wheels of the car were fixed
Were
tightly
fixed tightly by the
by
mechanic.
the mechanic.
Miss, number 8 is wrong. Number 8 is wrong. No, 8 is wrong. 8 is wrong.
Oke.
Yeah, it is wrong.
You guys
Okay.
already tell it. We even didn't read it before.
It's okay. Yeah.
Oke, ya sabar. Nomor 8 sabar.
Why it's
Sebentar kita bahas.
Then I have to be like, I want to read.
No,
Oke,
I don't.
don't worry. Nanti kita akan ada reading lagi. Jadi yang
I don't want to read.
belum dapat bagian, it's okay.
Miss,
Yeah,
it's okay.
Okay,
Grana,
number
no.
8 for Gus Maha. To Gus Maha ya, because to Gus Maha already raised hand. To Gus Maha, please read number 8.
For weeks. Okay. The rose is most beautiful flower. Maybe the
Okay.
rose.
Yeah, this one is wrong.
Rose.
in
the between the is and the both.
Good.
Rose is the
The most.
The rose is the most beautiful flower.
Okay.
Rose is the
Rose
most
is the
beautiful
most
flower
beautiful
in the
flower.
world. Flower. Right, like Miss Rose. Like Miss Rose.
Oh.
Miss Rose.
It's Miss Rose. Miss Rose is
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Miss Rose.
Miss Rose.
Miss Rose.
Okay. So, have you finished written the answers?
Yes.
Okay, maybe
I
some
already
students
finished.
still writing.
Homework nggak?
No, because we will discuss it now. Yeah, there will be no homework.
Wow. For today.
Nah, tugasnya tuh
No
sebelum
homework.
PKN aja, ye.
I love English homework.
Oh, thank you. I hope you enjoy the class.
I
Yeah.
love the exercise of English. Yeah, I know.
I love the exercise.
Okay. Is
I
what do you
already
think?
have many exercise and now no exercise more, please.
What do you think?
Miss
Is
Rose.
this easy or hard for you?
It's easy but hard. Easy but hard.
Hard.
Easy but hard.
The easiest one that I look in English class.
Okay, I will close this screen.
Easy
Yeah.
one is number 8.
In the middle, it's medium.
Medium. Okay. So
It's not that hard. It's not that
Hard.
easy.
yang kelewatan,
How about this one? How
yang kelewatan nanti bisa cek di LMS ya. Nanti bisa akan add.
How about
Kelewatan
nanti
aja
nggak ada
ada
tugas
tugas
lagi, Miss?
No, ya.
I hope so. No.
Oke, Miss Rus, unmute,
Why is
mute
Rena
dulu
like in-
sebentar. Okay, so now, yeah, because we already finished the exercise, now we will answer the quiz together. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and then answer the quiz together.
Miss Rianti. Ada Miss Rianti.
I love doing
Iya.
this.
Ada Miss
Okay.
Rianti. Ada Miss Rianti.
It's
Yeah,
okay,
I
don't
know it.
worry. It's okay, don't worry.
Yeah, it's okay, Miss Rianti. Just check your
Biar
activity.
main
ya.
sama-sama
Hai,
boleh
Miss.
juga saya ikut Miss ikutan.
Yes, Miss Rianti.
Boleh, ayo kita jawab sama-sama.
Bersama-sama.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Miss Rianti.
Okay, number 1. The girls
The
go.
girls the iguana. The third one. The yellow one.
Yeah,
the yellow one. Yellow
Okay,
one.
let's click.
Third one.
Yes, that's correct. Yay.
What?
Okay, next, Mr. Tan
Is
is
the best friend. The second one. The second one.
Right, correct. Wow.
Number 3, Miss. Okay, let's go.
Okay, in the morning.
A beggar knocked
my door.
A beggar.
my door.
I think.
beggar.
I think.
That's correct. Yay. Power up.
Power
Get power up.
I'm so happy.
How do we get?
Strict server. Okay.
Siapa namanya Miss? Saya tugas pengamis.
Okay. Let's see. Number 4.
Students
Should
Should wear.
A uniform.
A uniform. A uniform.
Good. Okay. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Number 1.
Can anyone lend me
Can anyone lend me
an umbrella?
Okay.
Umbrella.
Yes, that's correct. Good.
This is nice.
Miss Karina
is our English
class.
class.
We wait for her for okay, an hour. Yeah, that's correct. Wow.
Number
one
so
again.
happy.
Number 7. I saw a beggar and gave food to.
The third one. The third one.
Okay, good. To the beggar. Yeah, that's correct.
God. Number 1 again.
Okay. Okay, let's use the power up.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Oh my gosh. The apple. An owl.
Kalau kalian salah nanti dapat
Apple. Keeps the apple away.
Okay, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Oh, the second one. Yes, the second one.
Yay, that's correct.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, wow, still number one.
Oh, of course, still the number one.
Okay, blank blank blank. Honest man will
Honest
always
man.
speak the
No.
truth.
An honest man will
The first one.
honest man.
Okay, the first one. Or the second one.
No, the first one. The first one.
Yeah.
An honest man will always speak the truth. Yay, correct.
Okay.
Next, the last question.
He drinks
A
glass of lemonade
glass of
on
glass.
the first one.
On
The first one.
The first one. Okay, let's click it.
On the table.
Yay, that's correct. Wow, you got the highest score.
The winner.
Yeah, you got 3,950. Okay,
Winners.
okay. Thank you. Ya, berkat anak-anak ya.
Studying with Miss Rus is so fun.
First winner.
ever joined.
Thank you. Okay, now sekarang kita akan reading lagi, ya. Apa gestures,
for the
ya, yang
reading.
di
Oh,
workbook.
in workbook I don't have workbook, so I'm
It's
gonna
okay.
grab my book, my normal book.
Ya, it's okay, nggak apa-apa
I
ya.
wanna read.
Can I please read it? I want.
Ya,
I wanna read
oke,
it. I wanna read it. Wait, Kirana is already. Give a
Kirana
chance.
already, yang belum dulu ya.
Kirana, me, Zenita,
Ya, oke,
Kirana
workbook ya.
and a lot.
Workbook page
Kirana's already.
11, halaman 11 ya. About gestures. Do you know what is gestures?
No,
I know.
No.
I read it last night.
Oh,
Can I explain what is gesture?
yeah, what is gesture?
So gesture is if you're a king and a queen. This is what I see in YouTube. King and a queen. The gesture makes you laugh and funny jokes and stuff like that.
Like a
Yeah.
clown?
Yeah,
That's
like a
correct.
clown. But
Yeah,
it's
like a
terrifying.
clown. Nah, this one is gesture.
Yeah.
This picture.
The olden days.
Yeah.
The olden days clown. Clown for the
Okay,
queen.
ya, zaman dulu, olden days, ya. This is the jester. Jester in bahasa Indonesia is komedian atau pelawak, ya. Something is someone who make a fun
saya kira tadi
story,
Nadut-
telling jokes. Okay, Rena, Rena, are you ready for reading? Okay, okay, Rena, read the first one.
Why there's no the?
And
What in
Okay,
olden
wait,
days?
wait.
Miss,
Please,
I want to say something, Miss.
the other
Can I say-
student, I will mute you all again.
Okay.
Oke, nah, jadi Miss
Miss, can I say something?
Rena. Kenapa Gong Bagus?
We will answer page 12, right?
Ya, nanti. But first we will read it. Oke, Rena, time is yours. Please read this one. Yeah, this part.
This
Oh,
book is new to me, so somehow it's already been answered.
Okay,
I
it's
didn't
okay.
answer it.
Yeah, we will answer it later. Yeah, after finish reading. Okay, Gong Bagus, please mute yourself.
the
Listen
course
to
book.
Rena.
I think it was someone else who answered the course book.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, Rena, time is yours.
Page.
11.
I want to read.
Okay, Rena, you can start.
Okay,
Miss, which
sorry
book,
when
Miss?
Okay, Rena, just read it first.
okay. Sorry when my mom it's studying with okay.
Miss.
In olden day, chesters were a part of a nobleman's household, employed to entertain him and his guests. A jester also entertained common folk at fairs and markets. They wore brightly colored costumes and comical hats and entertained people with a wide variety of skills, including songs, music, storytelling, acrobatics, juggling, telling jokes, and true magic. Much of entertainment was performed in a comic style with jokes and songs made about people and events well known to the audience.
Okay, so now, thank you, Rena. I will explain a little bit about this text. Jadi in olden days, zaman dulu, jester atau pelawak atau comedian is part of nobleman's household. Jadi artinya ini adalah dia itu bekerja di rumah bangsawan atau kerajaan, ya, yang tugasnya untuk menghibur, entertain itu menghibur raja, menghibur para bangsawan ataupun juga tamu-tamu yang ada di istana, ya. Tetapi jester juga menghibur common folk. Jadi dulu karena ada kerajaan, ada juga common folk. Common folk itu artinya rakyat biasa ya, pada saat pameran atau seperti sirkus-sirkus. They wore brightly colored costumes ya, jadi mereka pakai warna-warna yang cerah untuk menarik perhatian, and comical hats. Comical hats itu yang seperti ini. Ya, as you see on the picture. And also they have so many skills. Mereka punya banyak keahlian. For example, singing songs, music, storytelling,
Doing backflips.
acrobatic, juggling, telling jokes, and magic. Dan sulap juga bisa. Oke, dan kebanyakan cerita-cerita yang dibawakan adalah cerita-cerita yang well known. Well known itu maksudnya famous, terkenal. Ya, jadi cerita-cerita yang sudah banyak orang tahu. Oke, thank you Rena. Next is Geaya. Oke, Geaya, please help me to read this part ya. Dari early jester sampai
well known?
monologue style di sini.
What? Sampai style.
Style. Oke, you can start Geaya.
Early jesters were popular in ancient Egyptian and entertain. What is that?
Pharaoh.
What is that?
Pharaoh. Okay, I will tell you later. Just read it. Pharaoh.
In India, the jester was not a person who merely entertained. He was in fact the most intelligent person who also acted as an advisor to the king. The stories of Tenali, Rama, and Birbal, who served in the court of Krishnadevaya and Emperor Akbar, are indeed well known. You must have heard about stand-up comedians. Well, they are modern-day performers who entertain a live audience with joke and humor stories based on current events in a monologue style.
Okay, thank you Geaya. Now I will explain a little bit ya. Jadi as jester itu juga populer di ancient Egypt ya. Maksudnya ini zaman Mesir kuno dulu ya, di Mesir. Dan entertain Pharaoh. Pharaoh ini adalah orang-orang yang tinggal di Mesir pada waktu itu. Ya, jadi namanya Pharaoh. Oke. Terus in India, jester itu tidak hanya untuk menghibur, tetapi dia adalah the most intelligent person. Jadi orang yang paling cerdas, paling bijaksana, karena dia juga berperan sebagai advisor, penasehat raja. Ya, jadi di India itu ada story yang namanya Tenali, Rama, dan Birbal. Jadi mereka adalah salah satu jester yang sangat bijaksana, yang sangat jujur ya, dan dicintai oleh sang raja. Maksudnya karena dia sangat bijaksana, jujur ya, dia dapat kedudukan yang sangat bagus. And then in modern day, kalau tadi kan olden day, zaman dulu. Modern day sekarang namanya itu stand up comedian. Ya, mungkin anak-anak pernah lihat stand up comedian. Jadi dia menceritakan sesuatu in a monologue style. Jadi monologue style ini adalah one man show. Contohnya dia sendiri di panggung menceritakan semua peran itu dengan dirinya sendiri. Jadi dia berperan berbagai karakter, so many characters, ya. Okay, the last sentence will ask Gong Bagus. Okay, Gong Bagus, please read start from here until the end, ya.
At all?
Yes, after sampai di sini. Oke. Start from here, Gong Bagus.
Okay.
A
Is
monologue.
when- A monologue is when a single person speaks all the matter himself.
Self.
Stand up confident
Comedians interact
interacts with their audience, actually speaking directly to them. Audience gladly expect the performance to profit the
Stream
study
of humor.
storm of humor, and the performance is often under pressure
Pressure
to do so. Making other people laugh is not easy after all.
Okay, thank you Gong Bagus ya. As I said before, stand up comedian itu dia cerita sendiri, menceritakan dirinya sebagai berbagai karakter ya, one man show. Okay, now let's answer part A first. Kita jawab yang part A dulu karena kita masih punya waktu kurang lebih 9 menit. Okay, number 1. In olden days, jesters were employed to entertain a nobleman. Jadi dia dulu itu
His guest?
and
His guest?
his guest. Ya, jadi dulu dia
Miss
sebagai penghibur.
Adi, the host said we have to go to the meditation and 12 and 10 because we have to pray together. He said that.
Okay. Yeah, just finish it first, ya. Okay, thank you. Next, number 2, Miss Rus akan langsung tulis jawabannya. Ketik jawaban. Jesters wore brightly color costume and comical hat. Okay.
Miss,
Jadi dia
boleh
menggunakan-
and hats?
Ya, boleh. Oke. Sekarang Miss Sus akan lanjutkan lagi ya. They entertain
Miss
people
Sus.
with, ya.
Ini logbook halaman
A
berapa?
wide variety
12, halaman 12 ya. A wide variety
halaman
of skills.
of skills.
Oke, Miss Sus akan
The
type
book
di
is
sini.
already answered.
Oke, if already,
I know.
please check it. Dicek lagi ya.
Because, Miss, it's not my book.
Oke, it's okay. You can check again the answers. Oke, ini ya workbook page 12. Next, modern day comedy performers are called stand-up comedians. Yeah, maybe you can find some stand-up comedians now, yeah, because
Of course, there's a lot of
Yeah.
stand-up comedy now.
yeah, banyak, a lot of stand-up comedians. And then number 5, they entertain a live audience in, yes,
And
monologue style.
Miss,
Yes.
number 4 bu. Boleh stand up komedi.
Ya, nama orangnya
It's okay.
stand up comedians pakai N. Ya,
Comedians.
comedians.
Comedy.
Kalau komedi dan comedians itu beda. Komedi itu kata bendanya, comedians itu orangnya ya.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So number 6, a steady stream
Stream
humor.
human
Yeah. Of humor. Sorry.
of humans.
Jadi steady stream of humor itu maksudnya hal-hal lucu yang nyambung ya, nyambung dia, terus dia ada kaitannya satu sama lain.
Ya.
That is steady.
Nah, kalau nggak nyambung kan garing.
Iya. Oke,
Cuma
anak-anak.
seru untuk diri sendiri saja kalau nyambung. Kalau tidak
Yes.
nyambung.
Iya, jadi stand up comedian itu susah ya.
Ya.
Making other
harus
people laugh is not
harus ngebuat-
easy.
Ya.
First step, it's make yourself laugh.
Ya.
Atau kalau misalnya bilang bla 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 bla, ceritanya awalnya ceritanya ke arah utara, habis itu tiba-tiba ke arah barat, makanya orang bingung.
So that's
Ada
why ya,
apa?
it's difficult.
Gitu.
Jadi stand up comedians
jelas
itu
jadinya.
as also like teachers ya. Jadi mereka mirip teachers, harus prepare something dulu ya.
Yes, of
Harus
course.
cari ini, cari itu sebagai bahan, and then they perform like that.
It must be so
Hachimura lah.
Okay, after this
Tapi
we will
biasanya
have
itu orang-orang sukses.
two
ya,
numbers left in part B. Ada exercise lagi 2 di part B.
Okay.
Oke.
Di apa Miss workbook?
Ya, di bawahnya ini.
Kalau ada workbook bisa lihat di LMS nggak?
Yes, bisa. Pasti bisa.
Oke.
Of course, LMS is
Okay.
Everything for us.
Ya, LMS is everything. Oke, kita cek yang part B ya. Sebelum breakout room-nya berakhir.
okay.
Oke, jadi I will make it fast. How is a stand-up comedian different? Kenapa dia berbeda dengan jester? Oke, terus akan langsung tulis
I think
stand-up
the stand-up comedian it's in the modern day and
Yeah.
Jester is in the
comedians
olden
entertain
days.
in monologue style. Monologue style. Okay. And then we can add but.
Boleh, Miss,
Yes.
boleh they have to stand up.
Yeah, of course. Jesters juga stand up biasanya dia.
Boleh jawabannya they have to
They're
stand up.
sitting down, they become sit down comedian.
Kurang pas saja rasanya, Agung Bagus. Karena jester dan stand up sama-sama stand up
Yes.
dia. Ya, kalau jesters
There's no reason like masa
entertain,
stand-up comedians interested in because
jester entertain,
stand up and jesters is sitting down itu kan nggak mungkin.
Orang ini bukannya bukunya bagus, Miss.
yeah,
Ini
it's okay.
bukunya dipinjam. Ini punya
Ya.
ke kelas. Ibu bilangnya
Boleh.
jangan lakukan apa saja.
Ya, jadi Gong Bagus bisa tulis juga tambahin ini. Ya.
Sitting
Oke.
down comedian.
And then the last, nah ini cerita Tenali Rama dan Birbal ini yang famous di India ya. Kenapa dia berbeda dengan jester yang lainnya? Because
Because
they
they
are
are
intelligent karena mereka sangat
intelligent
cerdas
because
dan
they
bijaksana
are
dan juga
intelligent
honest.
and honest.
Oke, mereka jujur juga. Jadi kenapa mereka berbeda?
Jadi mereka itu terkenal gitu ya, Miss ya?
Yes. Cerita Tenali Rama dan Birbal juga ada di course book ya. Kalau anak-anak mau baca bisa dicek di course book halaman 15.
Nggak ada di drama-drama gitu ya, Miss ya?
Mungkin ya